The Sorby Eccentric Chuck uses 3 methods for holding the wood. These are 1. The screw chuck, 2. The face plate, and 3. The hexagonal ball drive and socket. The Sorby Eccentric Chuck is the most comprehensive multi-center chuck available. The unique eccentric boss provides easy and accurate adjustment with its bi-hexagonal locating socket for each of the holding components. This allows for each component to be located at any of the 12 positions. The eccentric boss is marked 0 to 35 on its outside diameter, which can be seen through the viewing window of the main body. These markings are the amount the holding component held in the eccentric boss can be offset from center, 0 being on the center axis of the lathe. At this position, the workpiece will run concentrically to the rotation of the lathe. Any number other than 0 will then offset the workpiece by the amount shown in the viewing window. The combination of the amount of offset of the eccentric boss and the position of the bi-hexagonal socket means that this is the most versatile eccentric chuck available. The Sorby Eccentric Chuck weighs around 5.5 pounds or 2.5 kilos. It is designed this way to counterbalance the weight of the workpiece when it is offset. This gives more stability than any other offset system, where the main components are offset from the center as well as the workpiece. This adds far more weight and creates a greater imbalance. This would substantially reduce its capability and increasing the risk of damage or injury. Using an inserted adapter system with a large variety of thread sizes, the Sorby Eccentric Chuck can be fitted to virtually any lathe in the world. The insert screws into the main body of the chuck and is tightened using the large wrench supplied. The chuck can be easily mounted onto the lathe. The Sorby Eccentric Chuck is also supplied with a comprehensive 12-page instruction manual. It describes the chuck and its component parts, as well as instructions how to use each of the holding methods. There is also a separate instruction booklet available to accompany this presentation, giving full details on each project including size drawings.